Okanti ke kwakulo elinqaku abemi baseGoli babongoza umasipala kuba afezekise isithembiso ezenziwa ngamagosa kwiintlanganiso zesicwangciso sophuhliso oludibeneyo besithi baphoxekile zizithembiso ezingafezekiswayo ngurhulumente. Abahlali babongoza ngelithi okanye bongeza ngelithi baqwalasele kuba umngeni ophambili wesixeko asiko kuxhaswa ngemali kodwa kukuqeshwa kwabantu abafanelekileyo kwizikhundla ezibalulekileyo.
You know what, even like the last time when they spoke about last year, they never even done anything about it, you know. And even with the water situation for us, old people, there's people that's sickly, that must carry water every day. There's sometimes it rains, then they can't even get water, you know what I'm saying. And there's a lot of sick people in our village where we live at Caroline. I think maybe if they put the right person in the right position, that maybe things will come right. But at the moment, the person that's in that chair, no.
Ziningi izinto engathi like they haven't reached ama goals wabo, especially mina kwiward yami ngiphuma kuyo. We have the issue service delivery. Kakhulukazi nje, I'll start with Ejubert Park. We had a clinic before which beyibhizi ngalendlela ukuthi everyone was going there, uzogoma umntwana, uzolanda amaphilisi. So now in this scenario, it's just a center for rehab, of which it's a day in and out. It's not like bayaba admita ukuthi umuntu akhona ukuthi aphume esengcono. So it's ayisizi ngalutho because umuntu mayifika ngaphakathi yes angalithola usizo, but mayiphumela ngaphandle ubuyela back to where la bekaqhamuka khona vele and start again ukuthi asebenzise ama drugs.